wondered how different applications talk to each other seamlessly? Let's demystify APIs in just 60 seconds. An API, or Application Programming Interface, acts as a crucial middle layer, allowing applications to request information or services from other systems without needing to know their internal workings. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. You, the customer, want a meal, but you don't go directly into the kitchen. Behind the scenes, the kitchen represents the server or database, holding all the ingredients and culinary expertise your request depends on. The API is your waiter. They take your order, communicate it to the kitchen, and then bring the prepared dish or information back to your table. This crucial arrangement allows applications to exchange information efficiently and securely, all without users ever needing direct access to the complex underlying systems. For example, when you check flight prices on Google Flights, APIs are working in the background, requesting live ticket information from various airlines and presenting it all to you instantly. Ultimately, APIs are the invisible messengers, tirelessly connecting digital services across the internet, making our online experiences seamless and interconnected. The restaurant analogy connects a user's request with an API, carrying that request to the underlying system and returning the result. The diagram shows customer, user, moving through waiter, API moving through kitchen, server. So next time you use an app, remember the API, your digital waiter, ready to connect you to a world of information and services.